This past month, after retiring from what I have known my whole life, the question of what is next has been a constant companion and a reminder to me that life really is but a vapor. A vapor that I want to journey through with the people I love and without fear of tomorrow, because I know tomorrow may never come. It is hard to put into words how special my trip to Israel was. It was powerful to be in a land whose story shapes our lives and culture, a land where I believe true love walked in the form of a humble man. But the best thing for me will be the day I tell my kids of how their uncle and I journeyed through a land far away, a land full of stories untold and mysteries waiting to be discovered. And I will tell my kids how their uncle and I swore not to drop the football into the cold December waters of the Galilee, but how it ended up being worth it anyways.
Good morning. Show us, Nin. No way. Sorry. It's an early morning and Jerusalem hands. Yes, Bill from Chicago. What?
About our roommate. He was sawing some logs.
Oh my goodness.